Life has a way of opening up a story for my son. For my son, Ege Can, so you always know you're never alone. Life has a way of opening up. Not all at once, not on your schedule, and not always in the way you expect. Most of the time, it starts quietly. It opens in ordinary mornings, in slow breakfasts, in moments where nothing urgent is happening, and yet everything feels right. When you're young, the world can feel small. The same places, the same routine, the same faces, and that's not a problem. That's the beginning. Life doesn't expand by force. It expands through living, through curiosity, through patience, through simply showing up on the days you're given. Some doors open because you pushed them. Others open because you waited long enough to notice they were never locked. Not knowing yet is part of knowing later. There will be times when things feel slow, when progress isn't obvious, when it seems like everything else is moving faster than you. That doesn't mean nothing is happening. It means something is forming. Life has a way of opening up when you keep moving forward with an open heart. And when it does, it won't feel loud or dramatic. It will feel natural, like something that was always waiting for you. I'm Eric, Ege Can's father. Thanks for watching Echoes of a Life.